Hi everyone, thank you for joining me. It's Sandy here. I did a video not too long ago and I showed you guys this cute little flip book which was an envelope with pocket flip book for Happy Mail or just to send off as a little gift to somebody. So this is what it looked like. It was a flip book that measured 3 inches by 4 inches. It's a really fun and simple project to make, and when you open it up you get the envelope on this side where you can add your goodies or your letter or some tags, and then on the next page is the top pocket where you can again add more goodies in there. And when you turn that over to the next page, you get a double blank page where you can embellish it, add more envelopes or add some pockets on the bottom here as inserts and add more goodies in there. And that's the back page. So this video will be the same kind of flip book. The only difference with this project that I'm going to show you, you'll be able to have 2 envelopes and the pocket and then your blank page as well. I'll also put the link down below for you if you wanted to have a look on how I made this one with the tutorial. But this one here, I'll show you how you can make one with the 2 envelopes, which is this one. So it's exactly the same size, 3 inches by 4 inches. And again, really easy to make. I use one of my fold back binder charm dangle clip to keep it as a closure. I do have these in my store available for you to purchase if you like. It's really cute. It's got a double heart with a cluster of pearls and glass crystal beads. So that was my closure there. And when you open it up, you get the envelope on this side just the same as you have on that one there. And then up the top here is the top pocket. And when you turn that to the next page is the double blank page, which is this one. And the difference on this one is when you turn that over, you get the other envelope on the last page, whereas this one didn't get a envelope. So I'm going to show you how you can make this with the extra envelope as well. So I just want to show you this cute little satin bow clip as well. I also have this in my store, and I just thought this was really nice to add as a decoration to one of the pages. I mean, this is great for your traveler's notebook as well, or for your planner. I do have them in baby pink and baby blue as well. So I'll put the link down below for my store if you wanted to go and have a look at what I have there. So I'm going to show you how to make this a double envelope with a pocket. So what you'll need is you will need 2 envelopes. The envelopes, I made these using the envelope punch board for a 3x4 card size, and you'll need to cut your paper at 6x6 and then follow your measurement for your score lines on your punch board. So yeah, this is for a 3x4 card size envelope. So you'll need 2 of those, and then you'll need to cut another piece of paper at 4 1/4 inches by 9 inches, and then you're going to score it on the 9-inch side at 3 and 6. And then you'll go ahead and fold your left panel back and then your right panel forward. So you sort of want to make like a like that shape. Okay, so what we'll do first, we'll go ahead and we're going to put the flip book together. So with your 2 envelopes that you have here, what you want to do first is we're going to cut out the envelope flaps that open and close, which is this part. And you want to cut it and leave about 1/4 inch from the fold line. So I'm just going to use my paper cutter. So you want to cut it about 1/4 inch. So you want to leave about that much from the fold line. So just to create a little flap. And you're going to do the same with the other envelope. I'm just cutting about 1/4 inch from the fold line. So you need to do that. So then you'll have your top part of the envelope like that, and then we're just going to apply some glue or any adhesive that you like, and we're going to apply glue to the outside of the flap that we've just cut out there, and also onto this side. And then what we're going to do is we're going to bring them together back to back and sandwich those two little flaps that we cut out together. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that the back of the envelopes line up. Don't worry about if these don't line up, because that's going on the inside. We just want to make sure that that lines up, and this will create the hinge. So you'll have your one envelope there, and you'll have one of the envelopes on that side, and then the center bit for your binding. And then we'll grab your paper that we've done the score lines. Now with this one here, what we're going to do, we're going to apply glue to the inside of the flaps now. So we're going to apply glue to the inside. Just like that. And I've meant to mention, and before you glue this to your envelopes, you want to punch a hole for the pocket, if that's what you like to do. Punch a hole first for your thumb notch on your left panel. See if I've got my hole puncher here. No, I don't have it, so here we are. I'll just quickly punch this out. So you want to do that onto your far left paddle. And then what we're going to do, we're just going to turn this over, and then we're going to apply glue to the back of that panel and the middle panel, just on the bottom, all right across, just to that fold line. And then we're going to also apply some glue to this end here. And then we're going to bring that left panel onto the flap, just on that side, which is on the left envelope. And we're just going to line that up just below the fold line, not on the fold line, just on the fold line. That way your envelope can swing back and forth. And then we're going to bring this one back and just get that to match up with where we applied the glue. So you want that to look like that. And that creates that pocket, and then that creates your flap, little double page, and there's your back envelope. And you can close that up. And that's your flip book done. It was so easy. Really easy, and it actually looks like a really fun little flip book, because you get all these pockets and inserts where you can add all your goodies, and there's also a page for you to embellish and have fun decorating that page. So let's go ahead. So that's your front, which is that one, and then there's your top pocket up here, and then you turn that over, that's your double blank page, and then we'll turn that over again, and there's your envelope at the back where you can add more goodies. So that is just another way you can create this cute little flip book. You can have it either with one envelope, or you can have it with one envelope, top pocket, and another envelope at the back. So I will put all the links down below for you for this tutorial and also my store. And I hope you enjoyed this fun, quick tutorial, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.